Hey there, friends! Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's important for all of us: why some people don't like you. And that's okay. We'll also discuss how to stop trying to please everyone. So, let's dive right in. You know, there's a saying that goes, you can be the juiciest peach in the world, but there will always be someone who doesn't like peaches. It's a harsh reality, but it's true. Some people will never like you, no matter what you do. But why is that? Well, it's because we're all unique individuals with our own personalities, preferences, and beliefs. We're all like different flavors of ice cream, and not everyone is going to love every flavor. It's just the way it is. Now, you might be wondering, why can't it just be liked by everyone? Well, the answer is simple. You can't, and that's okay. Trying to please everyone is like trying to hold on to a handful of sand. It's just not possible. So, how can you stop trying to please everyone? Well, the first step is to understand that it's not your job to make everyone like you. It's not your responsibility to change who you are to fit someone else's idea of perfection. You are perfect just the way you are. Instead, focus on being true to yourself. Be the best version of you that you can be. Embrace your quirks, your flaws, and your unique qualities. When you do that, you'll attract the people who genuinely like you for who you are. And that's what matters most. Remember, it's not about being liked by everyone, but about being loved by the right people. So, don't worry about those who don't like you, and instead, focus on being the best version of yourself. Thank you so much for joining me in this discussion today. I hope it's helped you understand that it's okay if some people don't like you, and that it's important to be true to yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, take care and be yourself.